Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve and I am a drone pilot. Now the purpose of this video is to let you know that for the months of May, June, July, and August, there's going to be fewer Captain Drone videos. Now I'll explain the reason why in a few minutes, but let me tell you the following. When I make a Captain Drone video, I usually make 3 videos per week. And for each video I make, that means travel to a location, bring multiple cameras, shoot lots of video, usually hours worth of video that I edit down into about 10-minute segments, lots of graphics, lots of entertainment. So for every video that you watch that's only 10 minutes long, it probably took me 2.5 days to make that video. So it means in the course of a week to make 3 videos, that's a lot of time used. Certainly I could make less comprehensive videos, like I could just make a video showing my hands and talking, or I could have my wife follow me around with a cell phone and just film me. But I like to make professional, entertaining videos. So with that said, you see it takes an awful lot of my time to put out 3 videos per week. Sometimes I even do 4 videos. So they're going to reduce in number, but it's not only because of the amount of time it takes. I've got some other issues happening. First, the sad news. My 93-year-old father, who's appeared in my videos in the past, needs a battery to fly, so I just strap it in. Start this up. You all set?
Yep.
Here we go.
Yep. It makes me dizzy.
Does it? Do you see yourself? He's not doing well. His body's falling apart. He has cancer and other health issues. He's on his last legs and he lives in another province about 5 hours away from me. So I am traveling to visit him as often as I can before his last days. So as you can imagine, making YouTube videos, that's the last thing on my mind. In addition, this summer, one of my sons is getting married. So there's a big wedding coming up. I also have family, extended family coming in for visits. There's an awful lot going on, as well as the normal house renos and other things that need to be done, the honey-do list. So my summer's pretty busy. So I've decided for my mental health is basically I got to take some time off. So probably what you'll see happening on the channel is I might go weeks with no videos, and then all of a sudden there's a sporadic influx of all sorts of videos. That just means I had some free time and some fun, and I enjoyed getting out doing RC stuff. And then other times there'll be dry spells, and that'll go on for about 4 months. And the reason I say 4 months is because when the month of September rolls around, I usually get back into the swing of things. People go back to the office, kids are in school, and life goes on, and I'm preparing for the Christmas season. So basically I'm reviewing lots of products leading up to Christmas. So I usually go back into full speed then. And yeah, so I'm planning anyways to go back into full speed in September. Let's hope so. So that's it. That's all this video is for, just to let you know, because I know a lot of you are going to be writing below saying, hey Steve, where's the videos? You okay? And I'm going to point you back to this video, or you're going to write comments below videos saying, how come you're not doing a lot of drone videos? You do mostly RC car or plane videos. That's going to be because, you know, that's all I want to do that day. So that's what you're going to get. Anyways, I know all of you that love this channel are loyal and dedicated viewers, and I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. So I appreciate all of that. I'm just letting you know I'm taking a break. So for now, I say thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
I painted skies.